Okay, today we're talking about lesson 3.7, % of change. That's the homework that goes with it. Here's the answers to last night's homework. You can pause and check. All right. Percent of change, and it's either going to be an increase, which means it's going up, or a decrease, means it's going down. All right. Okay, the percent of change is the percent a quality changes. Oh, I guess they weren't increases or decreases. From its original amount. Now, this is one way to look at it. I would do a percent proportion. They're multiplying this by 100 because when you find a percent, you need to move it to a decimal. You need to move it to the right. I would set this up as a percent proportion. So, percent over 100 equals the difference over the original. The difference means how much the number changed divided by its original. The original number is the starting amount. That always goes on the bottom because you are finding the percent of change based on what it started at. So that'll be the whole. Now, let's look at this. A number changed from 10 to 23. Well, first of all, 10 to 23 is an increase, right? So we're going to do percent over 100. We're looking for the percent. X over 100 equals 23 minus 10 over, what's the original? What did it start at? 10. So it'll be X over 100 equals 13 over 10. When you do the subtraction, always subtract so it is positive. So I'm going to cross multiply 10x equals 1300 divided by 10. X is 130% increase. Does that make sense? If I said you started out with 10 and it increased 100%, what would it be? If it increases 100%, it will go to 20, right? Because it basically doubles. 100% increase means whatever you have, increase it by that same amount. So this is going up more than 100% because it's going to 23. So 130% increase. We're not going to do a ton of these. They're all the same. We don't need to do one. Okay. This one. Find the percent of decrease. Well, how do I know that that's a decrease? It's going down, right? This is not rocket science. So, we're looking for our percent of change. So, x over 100 equals, find out how much it changed by subtracting 87 minus 64 over, what is the original here? Correct, the starting amount. So, I'm going to have x over 100 equals 87 minus 64 is 23 over 87. Cross multiply 87x equals 2300 divided by 87. And by the way, feel free to use a calculator on these. 2300 divided by 87 is 26.4% decrease. 26.4% decrease. All right, here we go. Determine the percent of change and state if it is an increase or a decrease. Well, first of all, is this going to be an increase or a decrease? Decrease. So I'm going to do x over 100 equals 5 minus 1 1/4 over, what goes in the bottom? this will be 5x. 5 minus 1 1/4 is 3.75, right? Because 1 1/4 is 1.25. If I subtract that, I get 3.75. So I'll have 375 when I multiply by 100. Divide both sides by 5, and I've got x is 75.5